Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist and owner of Luke Gnosis Hypnosis, with the third video in the ice challenge. We're going to get into the ice bath today. The temperature is, it's approximately 6 degrees. We've got some ice in there. Oh, and one more thing, as you keep looking at me with the camera, just keep looking at me right now, you'll notice here's 100 ice cubes. Come and look at this. Oh, all right, that's 100. That's 200. We're adding 1,000 ice cubes in here. That is, what's that, 400?
4.
Here's 600. Oh, yeah. All right. And now this makes another 300. This makes 1,000 ice cubes. Boom. Boom. All right. Oh, there's one left. Sorry, can't cheat. One left. There's 1,000 ice cubes. But you know what? You know what? Like anything, go there. Pass that to me. Pass me the white.
Okay.
Extra bonus. Extra big ice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. This is 1,016 ice cubes in there right now. Come and take a look at the ice cubes. What am I letting myself in for today? This is crazy. Let's see what that does to the temperature. It takes a while sometimes for it to go down. Okay, so we're still approximately 6 degrees. My record is I've never done this cold for over 3 minutes. I'm gonna aim for 3 minutes and 5 seconds. And it is snowing and it is very cold. And forgive me if I don't talk so much. So as soon as I start to step in, you are gonna start the timer. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, time is starting, yeah? You come in and take a shot of the ice. Yeah, there you go. So again, why am I doing this? As I can start to control my breathing. Ice therapy. I think in today's society, we've all become a little bit too comfortable with stuff. So sometimes when we choose our struggles, when we choose our challenges, they can help to build resilience. So when the proverbial sensor hits the fan, we have a little bit more resiliency to deal with the challenges that life gives us. But this is the coldest it's ever been, and this is the longest I'm doing. Also, it's been proven that basically, as I repeat, about 11 minutes in the cold bath a week, not necessarily in one sitting, but over a week, 11 minutes, has been proven to raise dopamine. That's the neurochemical that makes you feel high, naturally alive and awake. Also, I've been doing this pretty much every day. We're in January right now, and I generally have noticed an increase in wellness in myself. I just generally feel better for no reasons. There's also been studies out there that have shown, but not conclusively, that the ice therapy, cold exposure, can increase testosterone as well. If you've got any injuries at all, it helps to reduce inflammation of joints. I train MMA, so I get banged up every day. So this helps me to recover. Also, I'm not getting any younger. I'm almost 45 this year, although I look like I'm 35 and I perform like I'm 25. But as I get older, recovery is a big thing for me. So massage, ice therapy, good nutrition, all this stuff to help me recover. We've got about 1:30 left. As you can hear, I'm not hyperventilating anymore. I'm in it. It's cold. But really, it's an acceptance. I accept it's cold. I accept there's 1,016 ice cubes in there. Not to mention 2 liters of these bad boys, which is frozen ice in my favorite beverage, to make this as cold as possible. It is winter here in the coldest place on earth, or one of them, Canada. Got 1 more minute left. So as you can hear, my breathing's returned to normal. It is really cold. And I realise now it's just about surviving. It's just about surviving for the next 45 seconds. Not holding my breath. It's not a good idea to do Wim Hof or breath holds while you're in water. Why? Because in case you pass out and drown, so you don't want to do that. But you do want to regulate your breathing. How I get through this is I tell myself it's going to be over in 30 seconds. And no matter how uncomfortable something is, I and you can withstand another 25 seconds of it. So yeah, we're over the last 20 seconds right now. When I come out of here, I'm going to put that robe on and get as warm as I can immediately. Also, doing this has been proven to help to reduce brown fat cells, the really difficult ones to get to in order to slim you down, lean you out. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait for the beep so it's official. There's the beep. There you go. 3 minutes, 5 seconds, 6 degrees, ice shower. I've been Luke Michael Howard. Video number 3, cold exposure, always believe.